Today we have discussed about the lesson 3 bones and muscles. In this video we have discussed about the fill in blanks. One word for the following. Unscramble the following words and match the following. But before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now first see the homework. Hello student, as you know that in previous online class I have given homework lesson 3 bones and muscles. As you know that given homework is learn take the correct word of lesson 3. I hope all of you learned take the correct word of lesson 3 in proper way, and I request you in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance after watching the video. Okay students, see here lesson 3 bones and muscles. Today first we discuss about the fill in blanks. Here 5 sentences given. This sentence has some blank space. Fill the correct word. There are blank space bones in our body. You know that how many bones found in our body? Yes, right answer 206 bones. There are 206 bones in our body. Clear? Next, the blank space joint helps to move the head. Means you divert the question. Okay, you ask in different way question. Okay, which joint, which type of joints found in head? The joint helps to move head. Yes, pivot joint. Pivot joint. In front, ribs are connected to the front side. They connected to the breastbone, and this breastbone is called sternum. Sternum. You can write here breastbone. Breastbone. Next, blank space is a smooth, flexible substance that joins the bones together. Which flexible substance joins bones together? You know that. What? Ligament. What? Ligament. Ligament is a smooth, flexible substance that joins the bones together. Okay, now next, fifth number. The blank space contain immovable joints. In which part of the body contain immovable joints? Means fixed joints are found. Only one place where fixed joints found. What? Skull. The skull contains immovable joints or fixed joints. Now see, I repeat again, fill in blanks. There are 206 bones in our body. The pivot joint helps to move the head. In front, ribs are connected to the breastbone or sternum. The ligament is a smooth, flexible substance that joins the bones together. The skull contains immovable joints. Now next exercise, write one word for the following. One word. First number, a hard structure that supports and protects internal organs. Which hard structure? You know, hard structure that protects the delicate organs. And what is this? Skeleton. Skeleton. A hard structure that supports and protects the internal organ. Skeleton. 12 pairs of cord bone that protect the heart, lungs also, and you know that what? rib cage. Rib cage. 12 pairs of cord bones that protects the heart. Rib cage. Rib cage, you know that rib cage found in his chest part, and they protect the heart as well as lungs. Next, muscles of the heart. Which type of muscles found in heart? Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle. Okay. Muscles that move on their own. Which type of muscles move on their own? Yes, fourth number. Involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles move on their own. Okay. Example: cardiac muscles, smooth muscles. Okay. Substance that connects skeletal muscles with bones. Which substance connect skeletal muscles to the bones? And here, tendons. So I repeat again. Write one word for the following. A hard substance that supports and protects the internal organs, skeleton. 12 pairs of cord bone that protects the heart, rib cage. Muscles of the heart, cardiac muscles. And third number, muscles of the heart. Fourth, muscles that move on their own, involuntary muscles. Substance that connects skeletal muscles with bones, tendons. Now next exercise. Unscramble the following words with the help of clues given below. Here clues are given and scramble words were given, and these scramble words given convert into unscramble, and you choose got the correct word. You find out the correct word. Body's factory for producing red blood cells. You know which part which produce the red blood cells. It's a common question. And scramble words given O and E, B O W A, W R M R A, B O and E, B O and E, M A double R O W, M A double R O W. Bone marrow. Body's factory for producing red blood cells, bone marrow. Next, second number, the bone that protects the spinal cord. Which bone protects the spinal cord? And you know that the spinal cord also a delicate organ. CNA KBOBE given. C BACK BONE BACK BONE. Backbone. Bone that protects the spinal cord, backbone. Next, the longest bone of the human body. Which is the longest bone in our body? Femur. You know that femur. Here RUFME given. FEMUR. Femur. Next, fourth number, the joint in the knee. Which type of joint in knee? Hinge. HINGE. Hinge joint. The joint in the neck. Which type of joint in neck? Found in neck? PIVOT. Pivot. Pivot joint. I repeat again. Body's factory for producing red blood cells, bone marrow. The bone that protects the spinal cord, backbone. The longest bone of the human body, femur. The joint in the knee, hinge. and last the joint in the neck, pivot joint. Now next exercise, match the following. Column A, column B. Column A, in column A given skull, backbone, rib cage, bone marrow, shoulder bones. In column B given protects heart, lungs and heart, produces new blood cells, ball and socket joint, protects brain, protects spinal cord. So here we match one by one. First, skull. Skull protects the brain. So first D, here in front of skull, right, protects brain. Protects brain. Next, backbone. Backbone protects the spinal cord. E number protects spinal cord. In front of backbone, right, protects spinal cord. Next, rib cage. Rib cage protects, third number, you match to third number A, protects lungs and heart. So in front of rib cage, right, protects lungs and heart. Next, fourth number, bone marrow. Bone marrow, B number, produces new blood cells. In front of bone marrow, right, produces new blood cells. Produces new blood cells. And last here, shoulder bone. You know that shoulder bone have a ball and socket joints. In front of shoulder bones, right, ball and socket joints. So here I repeat again, skull protects brain, backbone protects spinal cord, rib cage protects lungs and heart, bone marrow protects bone marrow produces new blood cells, and the shoulder bones, ball and socket joints. If you have completed this homework in copy, not necessary to write again. If you not completed, then write in proper way. Now all student, now write homework of lesson 3 bones and muscles, date 23rd September. Learn one word for the following of lesson 3. Learn one word for the following of lesson 3. Okay, you have learned other exercise also, you have learned in proper way, and I request you, if any work, any class work, any exercise left, then you have to complete in proper way. And I request you, all of you, after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section in comments box for your attendance. This is a compulsory for you, so all students do it. Okay, and also watching the video daily. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.